Okay, quick wardrobe change. Episode 3. Let's dive in. Hey, nice job on the skin tone. It's so subtle, and it's the colors. It looks great. A couple of things I'd point out. The first is we need a little reflection in the eyes just to keep it alive and maybe sharpen it up a little bit, give it some depth. The nose looks great, the perspective on it. I just think this philtrum, this little area right below our nose, needs to be shifted over. That's going to help you with this dark area. That's a little too dark. And one other thing is there's a plane shift here, in which will be a subtle value shift as well, and it'll give it some nice depth to the side of her head. But yeah, good job, man. The cup looks good. Catadonia 99. Hey, I would look at your reference and show us a little shadowing, a little shade is going to go a long ways to help your form. So I just threw a little shading in the middle of the cup, and then that punctuates this lip. And then overall, think of it as a cylinder and how light would fall on that cylinder. And I mean, that's a tip. I know you're getting started, but I want to encourage you. Looking good, bud. So this elephant drawing, I like this elephant. It's good. It reminds me of kind of a early Da Vinci sketch. But the thing I would do is you want to show the weight. Like the weight of this elephant is everything. These beasts are so big. And that if you taper, I think the anatomy tapers down to a big knuckle like this. And even that little minor change, I think, gives it that feeling of weight and gravity. This trunk would be flipped, I think, the other way, just perspective-wise. And then the tusks, I believe, they look a little, they're not proportionate. So let's make these a little bit bigger. This looks like a good start.